Eric's Foreign Language Wonderland. Preliminary German Lessons. Lesson 16. Present tense. Semi-regular verbs. Section 16-0. Introduction. Lesson overview. In German, some verbs with a stem ending in T or D may have special conjugation for second person singular, third person singular, and second person plural form. Our lecture is divided into the following parts. First, we will examine the first group. Verb stems ending in T. Next, we'll examine the second group. Verb stems ending in D. And there will be example sentences afterwards. Next, we'll move on to grammar points. Section 16-1. See you in the next video.